Welcome to E-Roll Battery. Today we're going to replace a battery on a Cadillac Escalade. This procedure is the same for 2021 to 2023. We are going to start by removing the top bracket. It got two 13mm bolts, one on each side. Once we remove these bolts, we are going to remove the top bracket and put it to the side. Next, we're going to take off the positive terminal fuse cover. Then we are going to loosen the negative terminal clamp and put it to the side. We are going to disconnect the sensor disc on the positive terminal. We are going to take out the wire harness on both sides of the battery. One is clipped to the bracket and the other is clipped to the chassis. We are going to loosen the positive terminal clamp with a 10mm socket and remove it. Put it to the side. Try to make some clearance so you can remove the battery hold down. We are going to use a 13mm socket with an extension. We are going to use our hand to retrieve the 13mm bolt. Then we are going to keep moving the battery so we'll have some room and retrieve the battery hold down. We're going to put it to the side. Now we're just going to move the battery wire out of the way and we are going to start moving the battery out. Just keep on moving the battery until we get our hand on the bottom of the battery. Then lift up the battery. As you can see, the battery is really dusty on the side and warped. This car has been sitting for a while, at least 6 months. Now we're going to install the new battery, the same way we took out the old battery. Place the negative side in first, then we are going to move it until it falls into the battery tray. Once the battery is placed in the battery tray, we are going to lift it up and then put on the battery hold down on the corner of the battery. You just have to keep on moving it until it aligns with the hole in the battery tray. Once aligned, we are going to install the battery hold down bolt. We are going to start tying it with a 13mm socket. Once it's tight, we are going to install the positive terminal fuel box. Make sure that it clips down on the battery. Once it's in place, we are going to connect the sensor and tighten the 10mm nuts. Once we install the positive, now we are going to install the battery top bracket. Installing these two 13mm bolts on each side. Alright, we got the bracket on tight. We're going to put on the positive terminal fuel box cover. Then we are going to tighten the negative terminal clamp. As you can see, the light came on and everything is working fine. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our video so more people can watch our video.